Yes, welcome to Bikes of Rye. Thank you for clicking on my video. I want to show you something before we get going. I have a brand new tyre. Look at this, huh? Beautiful. You can still see the grease where it's obviously been mounted on the rim. But yeah, literally I've done maybe 2 or 3 miles on this tyre. Obviously I need to properly get it over and scrub this beauty in. But first I need to do something. I've got to get me some fuel. That's all I seem to be doing lately, is keep putting fuel in this bike. But it's always worth it. Let's see how much it takes to fill today. We're putting in the 99 as usual. £18 and 8p.
Hello.
How you doing? Beautiful day for it, isn't it? Number 5, that's it. Cool, alright, thank you, have a good day. Woman's lovely. Always very chatty. Hey, look at this piece of kit, eh? Oh, I love it. Alright, what are we going to have it on today? We've got it on road mode, let's stick it on sport. Everybody's out enjoying the sun. Why wouldn't you? I absolutely love where we are. This is a place called Letchworth Garden City, and I think it is such a beautiful town. It's so scenic, very green, very picturesque place. And I thought I just wanted to go through here and take in the beautiful sights. Fortunately, I live right next door to this place, so it's always a joy to come through here. I'd love to be living in some of these houses, that's for sure. These houses are worth over £1 million. And this is the UK's first roundabout. Can you believe that? Built in 1909. And there you go. You learn something new when you watch my channel. A beautiful Audi R8 in black. But I'm not going to sit in traffic with you, mate. Sorry. I'm just going to go left here. Bit different today. I'm doing a bit of town centre riding. Obviously I just want to pose on my beautiful bike, don't I? The thing is, I don't actually mind riding this bike around you know, a town centre, because it's so comfortable, smooth and easy to ride. And you can be lazy like that and just go through the gearbox without using the clutch, and it's still beautifully smooth. So yeah, the rear tyre on this bike is now a Supercorsa V2. The bike comes fitted as standard with the V3, but yeah, I went for a V2 just to save a bit of money. The V2 was like £20 cheaper. It's not an awful lot of a saving, but I think, you know what, the V3 apparently is just more suited if you favour track riding. And as I mentioned in a previous vlog, I do want to hit a track this year, but let's be honest, I'm probably going to do one. Oh, somebody is stalled over there in the roundabout. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, this tyre, the bike leans over much nicer. It's much more eager to do so. I guess the previous tyre was probably squaring off a little bit. I did push it to its limit of life. It was literally on the wear markers, on the wear blocks, or whatever you call them, 3,400 miles or thereabouts out of a rear tyre. And you know what, you have to consider these things if you're buying this bike. You know, you have to consider that as a cost down the line, because yeah, I spent circa £200 to have the rear tyre fitted. So that was 150 odd, 155 for the tyre delivered, and then 40 odd pounds, 48 pound I think it was, for fitting. So yeah, you have to consider this, right, when you buy these bikes. It can become quite an expensive hobby, especially when you're getting like just over 3,000 miles out of a tyre. It's crazy, right? But you know, I realised this when I bought the bike, but some people might buy this and think, you know, they could just ride it until they sell it and not expect to spend much on it, especially when you buy something new. But yeah, quite an expensive consumable part, really. Oh, I love it. I just feel like pure freedom, right, in this weather. I've got the music playing in my ears. I'm in no rush today. I'm just going to take it easy. I just want to enjoy the good weather, the sun. I've got a little destination in mind, and yeah, I just want to enjoy this ride today and just take it easy, slow down a little bit. And to be honest, with this new rear tyre, I mean, it's debatable. Do you have to scrub rear tyres in? You know, I mentioned this on a previous vlog as well when I had this tyre fitted. When I had it fitted, I've only literally, the tyre has literally done maybe 6 miles maximum right now. And you know, I've read that apparently tyres now don't require scrubbing in. I mean, when I bought this bike brand new, and I didn't focus on scrubbing the tyres in. The bike just gripped and handled like amazingly, straight from new. And yeah, so I don't know, apparently like older tyres, sorry, excuse me, used to come, you know, when they were fitted, they would come with like a wax kind of coating on them. I think that's probably how they were originally produced back in the day. And you had to take it so easy. And I heard so many stories of people stacking bikes brand new out the showroom, or you know, after they've literally had new tyres fitted. And you know, when I had this rear tyre fitted, it's something I thought, yeah, I need to consider taking it easy probably. But you know, I don't know, can you comment below, let me know, is it true or false? So then, if I was in the market again to buy a brand new motorcycle, and knowing what I know today, would I still buy the Street Triple 765 RS? Now, I've been lucky enough to test ride the MT-09 SP, the 2021 model, and I've also ridden the brand new 890 Duke car. Oh, I want to get past this car, please let me pass. So yeah, I've ridden those two bikes, and absolutely phenomenal bikes. And then you've got the likes of like the Aprilia 660, which, okay, it's down on power a little bit, but it's in the region of £10,000, similar money to the Street Triple. And then I guess you also have the new Ducati 950 Super Sport, which I think looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, I think you're spoilt for choice, right, if you want this particular road bike, street bike, with this kind of particular riding style. And you know, after a year and over 3,000 miles, I have to say I absolutely still love this bike. It makes me smile every time I ride it. I think this bike is way more capable than you would ever realise. And you know, I've been out with guys that are on litre bikes and stuff, and honestly, this holds its own. This is incredible. On the road, this bike just, you know, it makes me feel like a much better rider than maybe I am, and I'm sure others would feel the same. But listen, it's not to say that the other bikes, like certainly the KTM 890 Duke car, wouldn't make you feel the same. I mean, I have to say that bike is crisp to ride. It is just beautiful. The handling and suspension on that machine, gosh, incredible. But listen, this still handles just as well. And I have to say, you know, if I was still going to look to buy a brand new bike today, would I still choose this over those other bikes? You know, and I'm going to say, right, that it would be ever so close between this and the KTM 890 Duke car. But I've said in a previous vlog, right, I would still choose a Street Triple, because I just think it's still, in my opinion, the greatest all-rounder. You see, because the KTM, as well as it handles, right, I'm not so keen on its looks. Okay, that's personal opinion. And also I hear a lot of bad rumours You know, there is a lot of people say that it's not so reliable, the KTM, and you know, you have to consider these kind of things, and I hope KTM one day, you know, sort that out and change people's opinion and maybe make their bikes that bit more reliable. And I have to say, this Street Triple has been great to me. Yeah, it has been, apart from I've had a little issue with the screen not working once, but I think that's because I unplugged the battery during the winter, and when I plugged the battery back in and first rode it this year, I had a fault with the screen, but honestly it hasn't returned. I also have to say, I can't imagine Triumph improving on this bike, because it is so hard to criticise things that are wrong with it, and I've put out content, you know, sharing some of the things that I don't quite like about this bike, but honestly I really am nitpicking. You know, I believe Triumph will update this bike for 2022, you know, maybe 23, and I'm curious to know what they would do with it. I mean, how can you really, you know, I mean, what would they do? Bring it out with some new colours, a little bit more power? I mean, it's such, honestly, it's such a good bike. And you know, there's going to be a point where I change my bike. Whether or not I keep this and buy another one, who knows? But you know, my plan is next year to get another bike, maybe upgrade. And if a bike makes me feel the way this does, yeah, I would be ever so happy. And I genuinely recommend this bike to so many people. So there we go, bike is parked, and look at the sights we have. What a day for it. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. What's that, mate? Oh, there's a Harley up there. Trike. Yeah. Lovely. You hit a tree?
Yeah, on my T120.
You was what?
Out of brain. Filled.
Oh, okay. What medication?
No, a party. Filled going out. I was home.
What, MDMA?
Yeah. Yeah.
Very good. How long ago was that then?
1976.
Did you hurt yourself bad then? Unconscious for 10 weeks. 80% dead. Yeah, I'm just out enjoying the weather. Just had a new tyre fitted, look.
Yeah.
Trying to scrub it in.
Yeah.
Got to get it over a bit more, ain't I? Yeah, see you later. Try and get the thumbnail. Also get myself an Instagram photo too. Oh, love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, beautiful. What about that guy here? I don't know if you can hear what he was saying, and I was trying to repeat what he was saying, but I can't believe he was telling me how he was doing drugs in the 70s and then crashed his, what was it, C125 or 150, whatever that is. I'll have to Google what that is. Oh, what a joker. And I think from the way he was acting, he must be still messed up from that accident. Just going to pop in to see my girlfriend. She is at her parents', so I'll just say hello while I'm over this way. How you doing? You alright?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Alright.
You be careful, Tina. Alright, time to head home. And I was cooking. We were chilling in the back garden and wearing most of my motorcycling gear meant I was absorbing the heat. I'm basically dressed all in black, and so I thought, hey listen, I've got to go get back on my bike and cool off. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave the motor vlog here. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please whack the like button. And because you hit the like button, I'm going to give you a little rev to say thank you, and I hope to see you in another video soon. See you later.